Israel attacks Iran. Major conflict escalates. Namaskar. Welcome to Heavies TV. I'm Shashi Rai. Israel, which is already attacking Gaza, has now launched a major strike on Iran. According to reports, several top Iranian nuclear scientists and a chief commander of the Revolutionary Guards have been killed in this attack. Not only that, the Natanz nuclear site, one of Iran's most important facilities for uranium enrichment, has also been destroyed. Natanz is the place where Iran was enriching uranium. Uranium enrichment is the key process used to make nuclear bomb. Once uranium is enriched to a high level, it can be used to make nuclear weapons. After the attack, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu released a video and said, "For decades, the dictators in Tehran, capital of Iran, have openly called for the destruction of Israel. They have backed up their violent words by working to develop nuclear weapons. In recent years, Iran has produced enough enrichment uranium to make 9 nuclear bombs." In response, Iran launched over 100 drones towards Israel. However, the Israeli military claimed that their fighter jets shot down most of the drones midair and that the situation is under control. Here question is, why are Iran and Israel fighting? Actually, Israel and Iran have been enemies for a long time. Israel accuses Iran of supporting terrorist groups like Hamas and Hezbollah, which attacks Israel. On October 1, 2024, Iran launched a missile attack on Israel, which may have triggered this latest Israel strike. Israel says that destroying Iran's nuclear and military sites is necessary for peace and security in the region. But Iran has always claimed that its nuclear program is peaceful and it is not trying to make nuclear bombs. But countries like the USA and Israel do not trust Iran. They believe Iran is secretly working on building nuclear weapons and are trying to stop it. Israel has many enemies in the Middle East. Its biggest rival is Iran. While Israel is supported by the USA, Iran supports several militia groups like Hamas, Hezbollah, militia groups in Iraq, Yemen, Syria, and Bahrain. These groups often attack Israel, and Israel believes Iran is funding and supplying weapons to them. You might be wondering, why does Israel has so many enemies? To understand this, we need to go back in history. Actually, during World War II, the Nazi army in Germany killed around 6 million Jews. This terrible event is known as the Holocaust. Every year on April 24, Israel observes Holocaust Day in memory of those who died. After World War II, many countries supported the idea of giving the Jewish people their own country where they could live safely. So on May 14, 1948, the country of Israel was created. Jews all over the world celebrated this as the Day of Independence. Soon after Israel was found, many Muslim countries became its enemies. They believed that Israel was created on Palestinian land and they did not accept its existence. Israel knew it was surrounded by enemies, so it started building a strong army and defense system to protect itself. On May 27, 1967, Egypt's President Abdul Nasser made a public announcement that Arabs now want to destroy Israel. Around the same time, Egypt and Jordan signed a deal. They agreed that if one country is attacked by Israel, the other will help. In June 1967, war broke out on the border of Egypt and Israel. Soon, many other Arab countries joined the war against Israel. The countries that fought against Israel included Jordan, Egypt, Iraq, Kuwait, Syria, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, Algeria. These countries built military bases in Jordan and were preparing to attack Israel. But on June 5, 1967, Israel launched a surprise attack first. The Israeli Air Force destroyed around 400 Egyptian fighter jets on the ground before they could take off. This shocked the enemy countries. The war ended in just 6 days. That's why it's called the 6-Day War or June War. Israel is currently fighting a group called Hamas in Gaza. Let's understand what Hamas is. Actually, Hamas started in 1987. It was formed as a part of Muslim Brotherhood, a large Islamic organization. The full name of Hamas is Islamic Resistance Movement. Hamas does not accept Israel's right to exist. It wants to establish an Islamic state in Gaza, the West Bank, East Jerusalem. It wants full control over all the land that it sees a Palestine. This is why Israel and Hamas have been fighting for years, and the conflict continues today. Thanks for watching. Keep watching History TV. Namaskar.